So guys, welcome to our special episode where I do some analysis before the non-farm payroll data get released. So in this video, I'm going to talk what is the best trading setup for the gold when it comes to the non-farm payroll data release. So guys, before we go to chart, as usual, I'm Alex, your technical analyst from FundYourFX, and let's go straight to the chart. Well, I always use the 4-hour chart as my main structure or the major structure. Okay, then right now the gold is quite complex because we see it moves in the sideways momentum here, but inside of the sideways momentum the gold makes the change of character here. Okay, we see the change of character happen on the gold in this red line. And the main goal for non-farm payroll can be always both direction, which is up, bullish or bearish. In this video, well, my main plan is to catch the bearish plan or the bearish structure or the bearish momentum. So let's look at the data itself. Non-farm payroll for June for this month is 111,000 forecast, and the previous one is 139,000. That's the previous data for the non-farm payroll. Okay, but I will forecast the actual data is going to be higher than the forecast. So the gold itself is going to be in the bearish side. So for the bearish momentum on the gold itself, I have plotted the demand zone here, so the right way or the right momentum to enter the gold for today for non-farm payroll data related today is sell. But I don't know if it's good or not. We'll see in the 27 minutes from now, because in the 27 minutes the data is going to be released. Am I wrong? Am I right? I don't know. Okay, that's the fun part about this video. Well, the demand zone is around here. It's around, let's see, 3,269 until 3,275. That's the demand zone for the gold before they continuing its bullish momentum. So guys, well, I'll see you around in the 27 minutes from now. Okay guys, I forgot to mention that the gold is going to move in both directions when the non-farm payroll data is going to be released. Well, if the gold moves in the upside momentum or in the bullish side, the key potential target that you have to keep in mind is around $3,395. But if the gold move in the downside momentum or in the bearish momentum, the key potential target or in the demand zone that the gold will likely to visit or rejecting is around 3,296. So well, let's see. So for about 7 until 6 minutes the data is going to be released, so I will see you in a couple of minutes. So 5 more minutes before the data is getting released. Well, let's see for another pair. Let's see what you want to see. Well, let's go for Euro USD. Let's see for Euro USD. Guys, by the way, I'm so sorry if you hear noise in the background because it was raining outside. I hope it doesn't get picked up by my mic. Well, let's see for the Euro dollar. Well, bad setup right here because the price already makes the base formation. The highlighting that the price is going to, well, same case on like the gold, going to be in the downward momentum or on the upside momentum or the bullish momentum. Let's see Bitcoin. I don't think Bitcoin going to react so aggressively for the non-farm payroll data release. So well, let's see. Okay, for the Bitcoin, well, this was a clean bullish setup here, but in the end or in the major trend it moved in the sideways momentum. well, 3 more minutes, guys. 3 more minutes. Let's see. Let's see UK oil or Brent. Okay. UK oil. Okay, it rejected nicely on our demand zone. This is our last week forecast, I think. Yeah, this is the last week forecast demand zone. Okay, let's go back to the gold. Let's go back to the gold. 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes. Let's see. Okay, our main plan is the gold is going to move in the bearish setup or the bearish momentum rather than the bullish, and then my forecast is the data is going to came higher, okay, for the non-farm payroll, but for the unemployment rate, I think nothing changed here. Okay, I think nothing changed here on the unemployment rate, or the unemployment rate is getting better, but the non-farm payroll is getting worse. I don't know. Let's see what the data told us in a couple of minutes. Okay, 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. Let's see. Okay. Okay, this is my Solana position if you want to see. Running well, super well. The price really well moved in the very strong bullish momentum on my entry time frame and on the 4-hour chart. Okay, the rain, by the way, is getting intense, more intense every minute. I'm sorry if you hear some noise in the background, the rain noise in the background. I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, my Solana position is doing very well right now. Okay, 1 more minute. Let's see. Do I have time in here? Wait, I don't think so. Well, never mind. Okay, 1 more minute. Okay, let's see. Well, the US market is going to close very soon on the 13 p.m. on the US time, in the US time zone. And tomorrow the market is going to be closed because of the 4th of July Independence Day on the US. Okay, now let's see why so slow. 1 minute more. Okay, the data should have released right now, but market hasn't moved. Okay, let us see on the 30 minutes time frame. Okay, guys, nice. Look, once more my analysis is getting good. Okay, the first momentum for the gold is going down. Okay, look, it's going down. Well, see, non-farm payroll data on the June increasing increasing to 147,000 rather than the forecast is 111,000. Like I said earlier, before the non-farm payroll data got released, the non-farm payroll data is going to be more hotter than the forecast. Of course, same case like in the unemployment rate. The unemployment rate is getting better right here. Let's see the gold. Well, the gold played its game as usual. Well, the rain is getting worse right now. I don't think you can hear me. Okay, well, I think that's enough for today. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and comment to our YouTube channel. Man, the rain is getting worse by now. I hope you can understand what I'm saying, and don't forget to follow our TikTok and Instagram so you can get notified if I made kind of video like this. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.